Huh. Sneaky today. It's gray out, but it's beautiful. This is my view. This is where I live, my spot. I put some sweet sugar in the hummingbird feeder because we get hummingbirds. There's one or two hummingbirds. But I tell you what, those blue jays, they love them some. Yeah, well, they won't let me burn that flag, and I guess there's a proper way to dispose of flags, but it just sits there for the birds. I gotta fill up the bird feeder too. Oh, there we go. Yeah, finally. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, what's up? Go! Who's coming next? They do that, they take turns. They're amazing. But I threw them everywhere. You saw me throwing them everywhere, so the blue jays are everywhere. Everywhere, see? Hey, Zippy, good morning. Zippy got her food and water. Oh, damn, they're fast. But they won't do it when I'm outside. Whoa. They won't do it when I'm outside.